Hello and welcome to another Forex update on the markets. We're going to focus on just a couple of currency pairs. We're going to use pound dollar, pound yen and pound euro, and euro dollar and euro yen. Sorry, and USD yen. So we're going to have a couple of ones here. So it's going to be pound dollar, dollar yen, euro dollar, pound yen, and euro pound. Okay, so it's going to go through a couple of bits here. Just the key levels for the week ahead. So if we start with euro dollar. Okay, so this mark here is the open of the markets on the Sunday 3rd. It opens at 10 o'clock UK time. Again, this is all UK time, and I'm using my demo account to show, as I don't want to accidentally put a trade on. So if we zoom in a bit here, you can see that it's a 30-minute chart. So each candlestick is 30 minutes. Let's zoom in a bit more. So that there is the open. So the 3rd, so it opens at 10 o'clock on the Sunday, and it goes through to 10 o'clock on the Friday. Okay. So these lines here I've already put in. So this is the current price, 177.20, and I've put some bigger time frame support and resistance in as well. So that's on all the charts. So if we go back to this 4-hour chart, so it gives you more of a broader horizon on the chart. So here we've got a support level here at 1718, which this was last time it was tested was the 21st of November in the morning UK time. Remember, this is all UK time. And you've got another one around the end of September as well. So that's a good support level. Okay, so if it goes below that, the next sort of level you're looking at is this sort of 1686 mark, which is a sort of like a good whole number to work with. In regards to resistance levels, okay, so again a 4-hour chart, you've got one good level here at 1856. Oops. Which is around here. So tested that and broke through that finally. So from the 18th of October, so 1 month, it finally broke through resistance. Okay, so that'd be a good resistance level to fall back on, which is that one there. So if we go to the 30-minute now, so more intraday levels, if it loads up. So ignoring these levels for the time being, we can use more intraday levels. Okay, so if we get the tool for, I think, so this line here is a good support level. Okay, which was sorry, good resistance level, which was support level. Okay, so it broke support here, and it sort of kept coming down. So this will be a good resistance level at the 178 marks. Again, see patterns here. It's whole numbers end up being support resistance levels, which is good. So if we just put this as a dot, a bit thicker, so we know this is the intraday one. And so this line here is the start of last week. Okay, and we can probably use, if we want to, regards to support level, this is even a bit more for this one. We've got this is probably your best bet here. So if we put a line here for the support level, so it gives us more of a, say, intraday level for support and resistance. So to summarise, for the week ahead. 180 or 1800 resistance level, and 1733 for support level for euro dollar. Okay, so that's euro dollar done. Next one, euro pound. So this again, I've done a daily chart for this one, so I put a few more levels in here for the daily chart. So we go back to 4 hours. So the best way to do is check it 4 hours, check it 30 minute, 50 minute, just to get a broader horizon on your levels, because 9 times out of 10 the levels do meet. Okay, so this price here, the closing price, so this is a week here, so here to here is 1 week. Okay, so use a 4 hour chart. It's actually already on a sort of a good resistance level, which is around the, let's get the pointer marker, which is around, oh, but yeah, so 87, so 88, you know, the 88 mark, so another whole number. So if it breaks through that, then you've got another good resistance level at 885. Okay, again another whole number. So you know, that sort of level there. So if it opens high, then it could break through this level here, going up to nines. I think 9.9 is going to be a good bearish move. Okay, so look out for nines, but again you can trade it on the uptrend. So, and on the downtrend you've got this level here of support, 875 ish here. So hit it twice. So if it goes below that level there, so if we zoom in again, we zoom in, so this line here is that support line. So if it breaks through that, but first you see another sort of level here. So if we can put a line here, and we'll change that to the thicker one. So that's the first sort of line of support. So if it goes below that level, then it could potentially go, if we go back to the 4 hour chart, it could potentially go for the lowest it's been for a few months. So if we go back to the day chart, it could probably, if it breaks those support levels, you're looking at around the 863 mark after that. So yeah, so the levels to look out for intraday, you're looking at 8.5 with a support level, let's zoom in again, I can't see that, with a support level of, sorry about that, with a support level of 87567, and then a resistance of around 8.5. So that's one to keep an eye on. Okay. So next one is pound yen. We've got a 30-minute window, so go back to 4 hours. So as you see here, got a big uptrend on pound yen. So I would probably put in that sort of level here. So it's definitely on the uptrend, as you can see. If we go to the 1 day chart, actually no, let's draw that again, but make it, actually let's delete it and start again. So there we go. There we go. There's a good support line. That's more long term, so all your long term traders out there. You've got, go back to 4 hours, you've got, let's get rid of that now. So you've got loads of potential support levels here on the 4 hour chart. Let's zoom in. Again, this line here is the open of last week. So you got, I'd say, levels here. Sorry, here. So, you know, again, the 150 marker, so another nice round number. Then potentially breaking down to anywhere below the 148 mark on the downtrend. Uptrend, you got 523. Another whole number, which is nice. If we move this across, put that where it should be. So put this on a thicker marker. So that's your intraday resistance level. Again, going back to this level here, which is your start of week. And any sort of pullback, you're looking at around where it is at the moment, at the 152-ish mark. Anything below that, then you could potentially see it to go down to about this level here. So you've got quite a few so you've got quite a big difference here, you know, so good few quid. And when you come down, and when you can go below the intraday and the longer term supports. So in the week, 153 resistance levels, and you've got your 151 75, 151 sort of levels there. So a good one to look out for is the 151 level. If it breaks below the 151, then obviously it's going to be testing this sort of level at 150. Okay. So dollar yen. Okay. This one is pretty. We'll do a 4-hour one as well. We've got resistance levels here at a 114 level, and we've got a big resistance level here, which is at the 1470 level. And if we go back, yeah, so that could test it, potentially get to 118, which would be a good level to hit. Back to the 30-minute chart. We've got support at the 113 level. Anything below that, you can get, you know, potentially to the 112 level, potentially high 1.111 level for a quick open. If anything, you know, higher than a 1136 level, then that could potentially rocket up to that figure we saw a minute ago, which is a 1415 level. Okay. Last one. So this is one we done last week. This is what I predicted for last week. The open was the 4th, so I'll put the open level in. So the 4th at, sorry, the 3rd at 10 o'clock. So that is the open. That's when the market's open for us in the UK. So I had 2 different support levels. Okay, this was a big resistance level. It didn't hit the resistance level, but it sort of went up and down, which I sort of predicted. However, it did go below the lows here at the 6 o'clock in the morning on the 5th at the 1.345 level, went down to the 1.337 level, and then towards the end of the week, it completely trashed this support level. Let's zoom in a little bit here. So that dotted line, so basically where it is at the moment, it sort of went testing. It did break down a little bit from 1.381 to 1.328. So good number there. And then when this obviously support then becomes resistance level, so it broke through it for evening on the 7th to early morning next day, and then it sort of pulled back a little bit. Again, testing this support level. So this is where it is at the moment, 1.3377. So it's testing the support level here. So if it opens tonight, weak, then it's gonna, the next level to test is here. Okay, so we'll pop that in. So the support level here, what we'll do is we will just put this yellow. Oh no, I can't see that very well. Let's do blue. Put that blue and put it thicker. So that's the new support level. And if it opens up strong, you've got support around this level here. So if it goes higher than that, let's do that black, thick black. So that's got a good resistance level there, and then it could rally up to the old resistance level. So testing this one, and then if it does break this 1.350 level, then we could potentially get to this older resistance level here. So loads of this potential resistance to break through to get to here. And then if we go back to 4 hours and zoom out, then this is a new level we'll be testing. If it breaks this resistance level here, the new level is going to be 1.366. So potential strong buy there. It's good to see what I'd done last week kind of worked. Went down, then up, it did hit the same level, which was 13534, and then it sort of went down again. So nearly there. But my predictions are for pound dollar. I think it will test the support level, so it could break through it tonight, break down on the lows. The dollar, I think it's got potential buys here at this this resistance level here, which is quite close to hitting. Pound yen, I probably would leave that, see how the market reacts tomorrow when UK opens, but potential buys around the 153 marker. We've got euro pound. I think it's pulled back nicely throughout the end of the day, Friday afternoon, so potential short here, maybe below, maybe this sort of level here. Let's use that as a new support. So it hit it twice there. So let's do a support level at 8779. Sorry, 87779. But we don't put a 9 on, so it's 8777. And euro pound, I think this is a good buy here. Okay, it sort of shot up, choppy, didn't pull back down below the lows. So I think if it opens strong, it could end up rallying to this sort of level here. As long as it breaks through the resistance level, we're all good. And that's it. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and let's see how the markets react. Have a good day and good week. Cheers.